Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream of wheat, a warm and comforting breakfast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of cream of wheat cereal, 1 cup of your preferred liquid, and a small pinch of salt. For the liquid, you can choose water, dairy milk, or even a non-dairy option like almond or oat milk. This basic ratio ensures a perfectly creamy texture every time. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your chosen liquid and the pinch of salt into a medium saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, slowly and steadily pour in the cream of wheat cereal while continuously whisking. This crucial step helps prevent any lumps. Then, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly until it reaches your desired creamy consistency. Once your cream of wheat is cooked, remove it from the heat and let it rest for about 1 minute. It will thicken slightly more. Now comes the fun part, customization. You can stir in a pat of butter, a spoonful of sugar, or a drizzle of maple syrup for classic sweetness. For extra flavor and texture, consider adding fresh berries, sliced bananas, chopped nuts, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even a dollop of creamy yogurt. Here are a few expert tips for your perfect bowl. To avoid any lumps, always whisk vigorously as you slowly add the cream of wheat to the hot liquid. If you prefer a thinner or thicker consistency, simply adjust the amount of liquid slightly. Cooked cream of wheat can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. When reheating, just add a splash of milk or water to restore its creamy texture. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cream of wheat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.